The Citrus Grita Plant Pot. A versatile plant pot suitable for indoor and outdoor use, perfect for accommodating your green friends. The Lovemend Work Lamp. A rotatable work lamp that provides lighting for various tasks, from reading to working. The Askmuller Table Lamp. A charming table lamp with a vintage touch and a built-in dimmer for setting the perfect ambience. The Flita Kitchen Trolley. A practical and stylish addition to the kitchen for extra storage and functionality. The Ryan Side Table. A versatile side table that can be easily placed in various locations, matching well with different furnishings. The Hall Bar Bin with Lid. An eco-friendly bin for recycling and waste sorting, contributing to sustainability. The Obona's Wall Shelf with Suction Cup. A convenient storage solution that doesn't require drilling holes, with a modern design. The Tornviken Range Boutiles. A stylish addition to the kitchen, combining practicality and aesthetics. The Frosby Folding Chair. A space-saving and comfortable chair suitable for smaller living spaces. The Haga 3-Drawer Chest. A versatile storage unit that can be used in various rooms and also serves as a decorative surface. The Ikadallen Chair. A classic and stylish dining chair with a comfortable design. The Clip-In Love Seat. A timeless and comfortable love seat with a variety of cover options. The Honningsbar Decoration Dish. A stylish stoneware dish that can be used for various purposes, adding elegance to your space. The Gravis Decoration Bowl. A decorative bowl with soft colors and beautiful grooves, perfect for displaying decorations. The Grisala Table. A sturdy and versatile table that can be used for various activities, seating up to 4 people. The Rodolph Desk Stand. A height-adjustable desk stand that allows you to switch between sitting and standing while working, promoting both physical and mental well-being. I hope you find these IKEA products as intriguing as I do. They not only offer practical solutions but also add charm and style to your living spaces. Happy shopping!